Welcome to you the longest narrow gauge vintage electric railway system in British Isles. We are going to travel today from Douglas to Laxey. Half an hour Douglas to Laxey.
Yeah.
Okay. This is driver's seat. If you don't mind, can I take just short video?
You want one?
Yeah, inside now.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Off the tram?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a both side driver's seat. This tram consists of 2 bogies. Douglas to Laxey is a half-hour journey. In this journey, you can see beautiful Manx countryside, glens, picturesque village, and other you will have reaching view all you see.
Thank you.
Ticket will be available on counter, and also you can book online as well as you can book as a package including train, tram and horse tram. Douglas to Laxey ticket price is £15, but if you wanted to take as a package, £72 will cost you 3 days pass for all the transportation and commutation in Isles of Man. I think that will be cheaper if you are spending time and wanted to go explore different part. Now train has reached Laxey stop, and I have to say thanks to you to watching this video. I will take you different places in Isles of Man. Thanks for watching the video.